Oh, I'm running out of space. It's so pretty.
Buddy.
Ouch. Oh my gosh, it looks like a centipede. It's a flying on my head. 안녕하세요. 제 이름은 나미입니다. Hi, it's Nami, and today we are going to be doing our bangs. Now, it's been a long time since we did our bangs, but that's what we're going to be doing today. Not only are we cutting our bangs, but we are also coloring them. Today we're going to be doing rainbow bangs inspired by Korean rapper youngji. I was introduced this by my sister. She told me that this hair is so pretty. It almost looks like hollow bangs because of the rainbow in the bangs. It's so pretty! This video is brought to you in part by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community where you can explore new skills or develop already existing interests. This month I've been trying to up my Instagram quality game, and I took a course from Paulo Deval, and there are over 6,300 students who took this exact course. It's called How to Become a Professional Instagrammer. Now, I'm not trying to become a professional Instagrammer, but I am going to be learning from the experts. I asked you guys what you normally take photos of, and the majority of you, other than screenshots, said you take photos of your family and pets. So I took some photos of Mina. I think the photos came out really cute. So here are some before and after shots of Mina that I took with the skills that I learned from my course. But I'm still learning, yes, Mina, how to grade, really bring out the colors of the photographs. Courses from Skillshare are really great to challenge yourself or to learn a little bit more on things that you've always wanted to learn. With the link in my description, you can get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership. Now, before I actually color my bangs, I will have to cut them. Babu! Now, youngji's bangs are not as full, but they're also not see-through. So I am gonna do kind of like an in-between. My bangs grew out a lot. Look how long they grew. This is a look. I can't see, but I can feel. I do want a lot of space from when I'm dyeing the red to the purple and leave a little bit of blonde at the bottom. So I'm actually gonna cut right between my eye and my brow. And then we do snippety, 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 snippety. I think I went too short. Wow, so little hair, but such a different look. Now, I don't have a red, so I'll actually be using oVertone's Magenta, Extreme Magenta. Hopefully it'll be bright enough, and I feel like it'll give like a different feel to it. Put the color right here along the top. Ooh, cute! And before moving on to the next color, I'm actually going to start with the purple too, so that I have like a final goal in mind. I don't have a purple, so I'm gonna mix my oVertone Magenta with my Good Dye Young Blue Ruin. And I actually learned this trick from Aislinn here on YouTube. She does like so many rainbow hair colors, but she actually wipes her brush between each color so that she can properly melt the colors. Now I actually feel like because I blended it up, I'm running out of space. I feel like I shouldn't have blended it and just went straight blue. And just place the blue right on top of that blend. Oh, I'm running out of space. Okay, I think what I have to do is just cry, that's what I have to do. McDonald's! 이번엔 그냥 바르자 막. Wow. Okay, I see you, Mr. Rainbow. Oh my gosh. 그건 아닌데. 잠깐만. 여보세요. 여보세요. 이건 아니에요. Gonna blend up the yellow into the pink, create a nice orange between the two. Oh, okay. I see you coming together with that blend. She looking a little messy. She do be looking messy. I guess I'll wait like 15-30 minutes, let the stain, my hair stick to my porous, damaged, bleached hair. I just noticed that the underside is missing a little bit of pigment, so I'm just gonna fill it in with the aqua. Ooh. I'm not muddy. I'm not muddy.
Buddy.
Uh-oh.
Were you? I thought you were trying to grow out your
Uh-oh,
bangs, no?
I was until now. Buddy. Ouch. 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 I'm a boy, Jizzy. Oh, thank you. Hopefully it won't stain the bottom. You know. 아, 뜨거. 좀 여기 밑에 거울이 있었으면 좋겠네. This is the tiniest hair wash in the world. My forehead. Oh my gosh, it looks like a centipede. It's literally on my head. Why? Oh my gosh, cute. Now that I bring the hair down. Yes, Mina. Let me know what you think about it. How does it look? It's different, I feel like, with her hair because her hair is brown and then she has that strip. Where did you get this floss too? Thank you. But I feel like it suits the blonde hair look. And maybe if my hair was a little bit more silver and this part was a little bit more pastel, it would look more holographic. If you like how it came out, give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you'd like to see next. Bye!
Bye. Bye.
Bye! Bye!